Welcome to our quick tutorial on integrating image filtering into your SwiftUI apps using Core Image. Let's dive into the code. First, we import SwiftUI, Core Image, and CoreImage.ci filter built-ins, essential for our image processing tasks. Next, we have our struct, filtered image view, which manages an image and its filtered counterpart. Inside the view, an image view displays the original or filtered image, resizing it to fit the screen. The magic happens in the onAppear modifier, where apply filter is triggered. In apply filter, a CI context is created, and our image is converted into a CI image. We apply a sepia tone filter with an intensity of 0.8 to add a vintage look. The filtered image is then rendered and set to display. And that's how you can easily add image filtering to your SwiftUI apps. Explore different filters to enhance your app's visual appeal. Thanks for watching. Keep coding and experimenting with SwiftUI.